One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Black fish, blue fish, old fish, new fish. This one has a little star. This one has a little car. Say, what a lot of fish there are. Some are blue,
Some are red, and some
are blue.
Mhm.
Some are old and some are new. Some are sad, some are glad. Some of them are very, very bad. Are those two bad ones?
I think the red one. Oh, they're both bad. I didn't even notice that. Yeah. Down here. Why?
Why
Why
are they sad, glad, and bad? I don't know. Ask your dad. Some are thin, some are fat. Some
the
one has
the fat?
one has a yellow hat.
Mm.
From there
That's funny.
from there to here,
Mm-hmm.
everything
From there to here, from
thing to funny things.
Hold on, you're here.
Funny things are everywhere.
Skipping. From there
to here.
From
here to there. Mom, I already read that.
Funny things
Are everywhere.
Very cute. Come on. Bloop.
Here are some who like to run. They are fun
They run
in the hot sun. Why are they doing the exact same thing?
No.
They're different.
There are some who like to run. They run for fun in the hot, hot sun.
They're doing different things.
Okay. Oh me, oh my. Keep reading.
Oh me, oh my. What a lot of funny things go by. I don't want to read anymore.
Oh, come on.
Some have 2 feet and some... What's that doing?
Keep going. Some have 2 feet and some have 4.
So...
Some have...
So me. Mom, it
That's the
says
word
so
some.
me.
You know it's some. It is like so and me together, but it's the word some. Keep going. Uh-oh. Please stop. We're over here somewhere. Now we lost our location. Okay, wait. Please don't do that. I like the rhymes. Some have 2 feet, some have 4, some have 6 feet, and some have more. Where do they come from? I can't say, but I bet they have come a long, long way.
We see they come. We see they go. Some are high and some are
Let's do this whole page first and then that one.
Fast. And some and so me.
Some are slow.
No, and so me are slow.
Does that make sense?
Mom, it's just what it says. Don't ask me.
So the spaces between the words are bigger than the space between the O and the M, you silly goose. We see them come, we see them go. Some are fast and some are slow. Some are high and some are low. Not one of them. Please don't do that. Not one of them is like another. Don't ask us why. Go ask your mother. Now we can move forward. Say.
Look at his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. You can count them if you want. And then let's
1,
read
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh my goodness.
Who has 11 fingers?
Say, look at his fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He has 11. See how we take a pause every time we get to the end of a line? 11. This is something new. I wish I had 11 too. Bump, bump, bump.
Did you ever ride a wump?
Good.
We have wump.
We have a wump with just
one hump.
Mm-hmm.
But we know a man called Mr. Grump. Mr. Grump has a 7 hump wump.
Excellent reading.
So if like go bump bump,
Mm-hmm.
I mean hump bump.
So if you
wump,
like to go bump bump, just
bump,
jump
on a hump of the wump for the grump.
Ooh, nice reading. All right. What's the second letter in grump?
U.
Ooh. But when you hear grump, what's the second letter that should be there?
R.
Aha. So what should be instead of grump?
Rump.
So g.
Grump.
Ooh, are you still saying the R sound? What do you think? Can you hear it? Grump. But we want to chop that R away. Go ready, chop it.
I can't do it. I quit. I got!
It was gump. Here we go. Gump. Right? Gump. Here we go. Who am I? My name is Ned. I do not like my little bed. This is no good. This is not right. My feet stick out of bed all night. And when I pull them in, oh dear, my head sticks out of bed up here.
Mom, I heard this sound you're like I quit.
No quitting allowed. This is not good. This is not good, I say. We like our bike. It is made for 3. Our Mike sits up and back, you see. We like our Mike, and this is why Mike does all the work when the hills get high. Oh, this is funny looking. Hello there, Ned. How do you do? Tell me what is new. How are things in your little bed? What is new? Please tell me, Ned. You're Ned.
I do not like this bed at all. A lot of things have come to call. I hate it.
A cow, a dog, a cat, a mouse. Oh, what a bed! Oh, what a house! Oh dear, I cannot hear. Will you please come over near? Will you please look in my ear? There must be something there, I fear. Say, look, a bird was in your ear. But he is out, so have no fear. Again, your ear can hear, my dear. That is a funny looking bird. I don't think he'd be able to fly. He doesn't have no wings.
Yes, he does.
All right, here we go. I meant feathers. My brain is thinking feathers and saying the wrong thing. Hey, what has just happened? My hat is old, my teeth are gold, I have a bird I like to hold, my shoe is off, my foot is cold, my shoe is off, my foot is cold, I have a bird I like to hold, my hat is old, my teeth are gold, and now my story is all told. We took a look, we saw a nook, on his head he had a book, on his hook he had a book, on his book was how to cook.
I quit.
You cannot quit. It is against the rule. Go home now and cook a boule.
What in the world's a bowl?
I don't know. I just had to rhyme with rule. We saw him sit and try to cook. He took a look at the book on the hook. But a Nook can't read, so a Nook can't cook. So what good to a Nook is a Hook cookbook? The moon was out. We saw some sheep take a walk in their sleep. By the light of the moon, by the light of a star, they walked all night, from near to far. I would never walk, I'd take a car. They're going from near to far. I do not like this one so well. All he does is yell, yell, yell. I will not have this one about. When he comes in, I put him out. This one is quiet as a mouse. I like to have him in the house.
At our house, we open cans. We have to open
Many cans.
I can't do it.
And that is why we have
A Zan.
a Zans. A Zans for cans is very good. Have you a Zans for cans? You should. I like to box. How I like to box. So every day I box a gox. In yellow socks I box my gox. I box in yellow gox box socks. It is fun to... What? What you doing over there?
Ow!
Is the computer tickling you? Come on, we're almost done. It's almost over. Don't you want to find out about the ying?
No.
So that's called a ying. You never learn if you don't read.
I don't want to
You
learn
want to learn
about
about
a
the
fake
yin?
animal.
Why not?
I don't want
He
to
likes
learn.
to sing.
I don't care if he likes to
It
sing.
is fun to sing if you sing with a ying. My ying can sing like anything. I sing high and my ying sings low. And we are not too bad, you know. This one I think is called a yink. He likes to wink. He likes to drink. He likes to drink and drink and drink. The thing he likes to drink is ink. The ink he likes to drink is pink. He likes to wink and drink pink ink. So, if you have a lot of ink, then you should get a yink, I think. Ooh, this is a good David one.
Hop, hop, I am a yop.
All I like to do is hop, from finger top to finger top. I hop, from left to right, and then hop, hop.
Hop.
I hop
Up. Back again.
Good. I like to hop all day and night, from right to left and left to right. Why do I like to hop, hop, hop? I do not know. Go ask your pop. Brush, 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 comb, 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 comb. Blue hair is fun to brush and comb. All girls who like to brush and comb should have a pet like this at home. Who is this pet? Say he is wet. You never yet met a pet, I bet, as wet as they let this wet pet get. Ooh, these are questions. Did you ever fly a kite in bed? Did you ever walk with 10 cats on your head? Did you ever milk this kind of cow? We can do it. We know how.
What just happened?
You